Let's sway to the night, so calm and so sweet, learning French in our dreams, where memories meet. With a jazz beat so smooth, we'll drift and we'll play. Sing the animals now, in a French cabaret. Le chien aboie, le chat fait miaou, le lapin saute, le hamster roucoule un peu, le lion rugit, le tigre est fier, l'oiseau chante beau dans l'air léger. Feel the rhythm, let it flow through your soul. Every word that we sing makes the language whole. Close your eyes, let the music take flight. Dance with the animals all through the night. Le poisson nage, le dauphin sourit, le requin glisse, la baleine chérit, la vache meugle, le cheval galope, le mouton bêle, le cochon grogne en scope. Oh, the jungle, the farm, the sea so wide. Every creature in French we've learned with pride. With each note we hum, our skills will grow. French will bloom where the jazzy rivers flow. La chèvre belle, l'ours grogne fort, le loup hurle, l'éléphant fait la tort. Tous les animaux dansent ce soir. Avec le jazz, on apprend encore. Now the song fades away, but the lesson stays. Wake up, speaking French in so many ways. Thank you for singing, sleep tight tonight. Dream in French and feel the delight.